Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Safety Professional HSE. Today we are discussing about the loading and unloading of pipes while traveling one place to another. As seen that this is MS pipe, means mild steel pipe. This is about one pipe, this is about 6 meter. So what are the procedures to be, or what are the precautions to be taken while loading an MS pipe? Now we are discussing that one. So whenever we are carrying a load, we have to check the capacity of the vehicle that has been used. For example, this is a trailer. This trailer have the capacity for 40 ton capacity, and the total weight of this MS pipe is about 19 ton. So it can easily and safely it can be transported from one place to another. Now while loading this one, we can this main precaution is to arrest this pipe. So in order to arrest this pipe, we have used one slings and web slings, and also we have used one chain also. So we have to arrest the pipe before we are loading or unloading. So first of all, we have to check the capacity of the vehicle that been used, and next precaution is we have to arrest the pipe using some belts or chains. Now you can see that these pipes are being arrested with slings and along with a chain also, and we have given some packing also with sandbags also to arrest the pipe for tilting one place to another. So this is the Then second type of precaution is we have to provide these ledges. We can see that this had providing some ledges to arrest these pipes and all. So we have to provide these vertical ledges to arrest these pipes for avoiding sliding this pipe. And one more thing is we have to provide some reflectors, lights and reflector stickers. Why? Because while moving this heavy load in we can able to see in night vision also. So for that reason we have to provide some extra indicators and along with the reflectors. While talking about the reflectors, you can provide both the sides. In both the sides we have to provide these reflectors and along with the indicator lights. Now we can see that here it's not provided. That means it is very unsafe practice to be taken while traveling this. So we have to provide this side and that side with the indicators light. Only they have given in downstairs. You can see that only we have given it downstairs, but as per this safe traveling, we have to provide in top also. Why? Because if any overhead lines or something is there, we can easily seen by other people also. So other traveling vehicle also we can see that. So in order to being safe, we can use this type of reflectors sticker and high visibility reflector tapes and lights also we can provide. And before loading and unloading, you have to check the vehicle condition, like tire pressure and whatever it is, tire pressure and the condition of vehicle and the driver abilities and how he is competent to travel one place to another, and along with him who is the another person that have been traveled. We have to check everything included in this vehicle also. So first of all, while traveling or being loading, we have to check that vehicle condition also. While vehicle condition in the sense means we have to use the checklist. With the help of checklist only we have to do the inspections, and it should be noted also. And this is the almost safe precautions during loading. And while traveling, before traveling we have to give some trainings to the driver. So we have to give some trainings regarding traffic management and vehicle driving and rash driving and all. We have to give some training to the drivers, and along with the keepers we have to give some trainings. So this is the precautions to be taken while loading or traveling in pipes from one place to another. Hope you all understand, and thanks for watching. So now we are discussing about how to unload this pipe. For loading and unloading, we have to use this C clamp. This is called the C clamp, in which this pipe will be attached in this portion. So pipe will be inserted in portion, and using this web slings or chain, we can pull this in two sides. We can use this pipe as two sides like this. We have to insert this pipe inside this pipe. So this portion we have to inside in this pipe, in MS pipe, and we have to hold this C clamp into the MS pipe, and we have to lift. So this is the procedure for loading, and we will see how this is being unloaded. Now we will see.